For our next and very last one, we have a Blu-ray plus DVD plus digital code. Disney, Ralph Breaks the Internet. Best animated film of the year. And what does that say, buddy? Over an hour of bonus. You read the rest.
It includes deleted scenes, Easter eggs, and more.
All right, we have the front, side, other side, and back. Open it up. We have matching covers. What do you say we take that plastic off and see what's inside?
Good idea.
We have a digital code and an insert. And we have a kind of white and silver DVD and a blue and white Blu-ray.
There we go. So, Dad, what do you have to say for the video?
Well, thanks for watching, everybody. We sure had a good time unboxing for you tonight.
Thanks for joining us. We sure hope you had a good time. These are all for Addie, and Aiden is really glad to buy them all for Addie. So thanks for joining us. Have a really good night. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.
The end. Good night.
The end.